Yeah, it's quite the change of pace living without lights, electricity, and you know, living like in the old days. Can you see my breath? It's chilly in here. Chilly. We've had a death in the family, just one so far. Hopefully we'll limit it. Hopefully this storm only took one of our family members away from us. Yep. Too chilly for one of the fishes. Oh boy. Richie made a joke about frozen fishes in my driveway. Well, I ended up with a frozen fish in my fish tank. No bueno. Yeah, he was awarded a proper burial in the toilet. Oh boy. So it's a wicked full moon out tonight. Wicked full moon out tonight, I'm telling you. It's like the fullest it's ever been, they say. So we haven't been having a full moon all this time? It's been like not as full as it could be, and now it's the fullest it's ever been and ever will be. Come on. Who came up with that? He had a good one. He got a good one going on all of us.
Thank God, because ever since my